In this awareness through movement lesson, it will be focused on rolling. And it begins with the hand, or actually the fingers, sliding away from the side. And so the fingers are taking in the felt sensory awareness of the mat as it moves away, eventually going off the mat onto the floor. And at some point, the hand will roll with the palm facing up. However, it's not lifting. It's rolling each finger on the floor. At which point the head begins to roll so the eyes can look towards the fingers. And the elbow bends. Again, there's no lifting, it's all sliding. So sliding the fingers motivates the arm to follow. Bending the elbow, there's a lengthening in the side ribs. There's a lengthening in the neck simply from following the fingers. There's no lifting. There's no muscle effort. The feet are standing, however, they're alert, so the legs aren't flopping from side to side. Again, there's no muscle effort. It is the position of the feet, the knees, hip width apart. Alternating sides. Starting to get a length between the armpit and the hip. Lengthening through the ribs. Getting a nice arch in the back of the neck and all the way down the spine. Alternating sides, and starting to let the feet push into the floor to support the rotation. And eventually rolling onto the tummy from the back and reversing back. With the least amount of effort, coming into sitting, up into standing. Thank you for watching. I hope to catch you on the next one.